Good afternoon, one and all. Let's continue the national programs. Here, in last session, we stopped to discuss with you about the national programs. Those are related to control of nutritional deficiency disorders. Now, in this session, we will continue with that one. Okay. Right. So, national programs related to control of nutritional deficiencies. Special nutrition program, midday meal program, anemia prophylaxis program, national iodine deficiency disorders control program, special nutrition programs, special nutrition, that is calories, the food included with the calories and protein. Under this program, the supply of these two things will be done. To improve the nutritional status of preschool children, pregnant and lactating mothers of poor socioeconomic groups in urban slums, tribal areas and brought-down rural areas. Children up to 1 year, 200 calories of 200 kilocalories of energy food should be given, 8 to 10 grams of protein per day. 1 to 6 years, 300 kilocalories of energy food should be given, 10 to 12 grams protein per day. Women, 500 kilocalories food to be given, 25 grams of protein per day. The midday meal program, it was launched in the year 1961 with the objectives of raising the nutritional status of primary school children, to improve attendance and enrollment in the school, to prevent dropouts from the primary school. Children belonging to backward classes, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe families are given priority. Principles under this program are: should be a substitute, it is not a whole food, 1/3 total energy, half total protein, provide at the lowest cost, it is easily prepared, locally available food, change menu frequently. Beneficiaries under this program are 6 to 11 years children. Services provides 300 kilocalories with 8 to 12 grams of protein per day for 200 days in a year. Anemia control program, beneficiaries are pregnant women, nursing mothers, women acceptors to terminal methods and IUD children 5 years. Children 5 years. Then daily doses under this program, women, the women should get 80 milligrams parasulfate per plus 0.5 milligrams folic acid. Children 190 milligrams parasulfate plus 0.1 milligrams folic acid. If not, tablets 2 ml of liquid iron and folic acid to be given. The National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program, it was launched in the year 1962. Finally, in 1997, the activities are: sale and storage of common salt is banned. Objectives under this program are: survey to assess the magnitude of iodine deficiency disorders, supply of iodized salts in the place of common salt, re-survey after every 5 years to assess the extent of iodine deficiency disorders and impact of iodized salt, laboratory monitoring of iodized salt and urinary iodine excretion, health education and publicity. National programs, those are related to non-communicable diseases. In that, first one is National School Health Program, Mental Health Program, Control of Blindness, Cancer Control Program, Diabetes Control Program, Child Welfare Program for disabled children, National Water Supply and Sanitation Program, National Family Welfare Program, Minimum Needs Program. School Health Program, it was launched in the year 1977 with the objectives of promotion of positive health, prevention of the diseases, timely diagnosis, treatment and follow-up. Health education to inculcate awareness about the good and bad health, availability of healthful environment. Components under this program are: health appraisal, remedial measures and follow-up, prevention of communicable diseases, healthful environment, nutritional services, first aid facilities, mental health, dental health, eye health, ear health, health education, education of handicapped children, school health record. Next program is National Mental Health Program. It was launched in the year 1982. Treatment of mentally ill, rehabilitation, prevention and promotion of positive mental health. Objectives under this program are: prevention of mental health services at district level, improvement of facilities in the mental health hospitals, training of trainers of physically handicapped personnel in the mental health, program for the substance use disorders. National Program for Control of Blindness, it was launched in the year 1976, started as a National Trachoma Control Program, then renamed as a National Program of Prevention of Visually Impaired and Control of Blindness in 1976. 1982, blindness included in the 20-point program. Objectives under this program are: dissemination of information about the eye care, augmentation of ophthalmic services to that eye care promptly availed of, establishment of a permanent infrastructure of community-oriented eye health care. Then now in our Andhra Pradesh, CM Jagan has introduced the Kanti Velugu program. Under this program, these objectives are met. Were met. These objectives were met. Okay. Vitamin A deficiency control program in 1970. Beneficiaries under this program are 6 months to 5 year children. Strategies are administration of vitamin A doses at regular 6 months interval. 6 to 11 months, 1 lakh international units. 1 to 5 years, 2 lakhs international units per 6 months. Child must receive the total 9 doses of vitamin A prophylaxis. Prevent the vitamin A deficiency through breastfeeding. Encourage the intake of green leafy vegetables and yellow colored fruits. Increase the coverage with the measles. Next program is National Cancer Control Program. 75 to 76 Cancer Control Program was launched. 2005 the program was revised after evaluation. Goals and objectives under this program are primary prevention of cancers by health education, secondary prevention, that is early detection, diagnosis of common cancer of cervix, mouth, breast and tobacco related cancers by the screening method, tertiary prevention, strengthen of the existing institutions of comprehensive therapy including palliative therapy, prevention of tobacco related cancer, prevention of cancer of uterus and cervix, strengthens of diagnosis and treatment equipment for the cancer medical colleges and major hospitals. The schemes under this revised program are Regional Cancer Center Scheme, Oncology Wing Development Scheme, District Cancer Control Program, Decentralization of NGO Scheme, Research and Training. National Diabetes Control Program. Under this program, it was launched in the year 7th 5-year plan with the objectives of identification of high-risk subjects at the early stage and imparting appropriate health education. Early diagnosis and management of cases, prevention and arrest or slowing of acute and chronic metabolic as well as the chronic cardiovascular, renal and ocular complications of the disease, rehabilitation of partially or totally handicapped diabetic people. Then child welfare program for the disabled children. Disabled children is nothing but handicapped children. It was 5 years wise, if you see means first 5-year plan launched a small unit by the Ministry of Education for the visually impaired in 1947. Second 5-year plan under Ministry of Education, National Advisory Council for the physically challenged started. Third 5-year plan, attention was given to rural areas and facilitated training and rehabilitation of the physically challenged. Fourth 5-year plan, more emphasis was given to preventive work. Sixth 5-year plan, national policies were made around for the provision of community-oriented disability prevention, rehabilitation services to prevent self-reliance. National Water Supply and Sanitation Program, it was launched in the year 1954 with the objectives of providing safe water supply and adequate drainage facilities for the entire urban and rural population of the country. Swajjala Dhara, it is a recent upcoming recent program. It was launched by our PM, that is Swajjala Dhara. It was launched in the year 2002. Swajjala Dhara is a community-led participatory program which aims with the providing safe drinking water in rural areas with the full ownership of the community, building awareness among the village community and the management of drinking water projects, promote better hygienic practices, encouraging water conservation practices along with the rainwater harvesting. Minimum Needs Program, it was launched in the year 1974 to 78 in 5th 5-year plan with the objectives of improve the living standards of the people. It is an expression of the commitment of the government for the social and economic development of the community, particularly the underprivileged and underserved population. Underprivileged means where the people are living under poverty, poor people. Underserved means in those areas the government can't reach. That areas are called as undeserved population. Okay. The components under this program are rural health, rural water supply, rural electrification, elementary education, adult education, nutrition, environment improvement of the urban slums, houses for landless laborers. Then next program is National Family Welfare Program. It was launched in the year 1952. Finally, in the 5th 5-year plan, that is 1975 to 80, the Ministry of Family Planning was renamed as a Family Welfare. Those are the programs that are related, that are comes under the national control of non-communicable diseases. Okay, thank you.